What's up guys, this is Sandeep Sky, and in this video I'm going to show you a music app which is heavily inspired from Gnome music and also which overcomes the limitations of Gnome music, such as adding folders, etc. So let's get started. So first let me show you the app itself. So this is the music player app which is heavily inspired from Gnome music, and in this app by default it will detect the music from the music folder in your home folder. As you can see, I have two music with mp3 files right here, and it will detect them. And this is the default behavior of Gnome music as well, but in Gnome music you cannot add a custom folder to show up here, but in this app you can do that. So all you need to do is click on this menu icon right here and click add folder, and I have some music at download folder as well. So if I click this download folder and select, it will show the music which is present in this download folder. So that's the one cool feature of this app, and you can also do many things the default Gnome music can. You can also create a playlist and also add the song to your playlist, and you can also add them to your favorites, so it will show up as favorite songs in this playlist, as you can see. And one cool feature is that if you close this app and open music from your file manager, it will open in directly in the music player. So Gnome music does not allow this, so this is a cool feature of this app as well. So if you want to install this my custom Gnome music app, all you need to do is open your web browser and go to this link, which is the link to my .files, and you need to download or either clone this repo. So after you have done that, open the .files folder and go to the applications folder, and you will see a music folder here. So all you need to do is open your terminal right here and use this install script. So for this, type chmod +x and install.sh, and then run the script with /install.sh, and it will install this custom Gnome music app. So that's it for the installation, and if you like this app, please make sure to give a like to this video and also subscribe to my channel. And if you have any suggestions or recommendations for this app, please feel free to comment below and I will make some changes in this app. So that's it for the video guys. Thank you for watching.